Now we need to subtract decimals with a different number of decimal places. So first we have 52.4, which has one decimal place, it just has one digit after the decimal point, and we need to subtract 6.67, which has two decimal places. We can answer this using column addition, but we need to make sure that when we write out the numbers, we have the decimal points lined up, because if the decimal points are lined up, then the other place values in our question, so our tens, ones, tenths and hundredths place values, will be lined up as well. Now we can write a 0 in this empty square, because 52.40 is the same as 52.4. Putting a 0 on the end of a decimal number doesn't change the number. All this 0 tells us is that we don't have any hundredths in our number. The other thing we need to do is copy the decimal point down into our answer, and I like to do that straight away so that I don't forget. Now we can answer our question using column subtraction, so working from right to left. So first we have 0 minus 7, which we can't do using the column method, so we go to the left, one less, one in front. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. We can't do 3 minus 6, so again we go to the left, one less, one in front. 13 minus 6 is 7. We can't do 1 minus 6, so again go to the left, one less, one in front. 11 minus 6 is 5, and 4 minus nothing is 4. So our answer is 45.73. Next, we have 39.1, and we need to subtract 6.09. So we have the question set out with our decimal points lined up. We can write a 0 in this empty square, and we need to remember to copy down the decimal point into our answer. Now we can't do 0 minus 9, so we go to the left, one less, one in front. 10 minus 9 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 3 minus nothing is 3. So our answer is 33.01. Finally, we have 118.72, and we need to subtract 91.3. So we have the question set out with our decimal points lined up, and that means our hundreds, tens, ones, tenths and hundredths digits are lined up as well. Now we can write a 0 in this empty square, because 91.30 is the same as 91.3. We copy the decimal point down into our answer, and now 2 minus 0 is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 1 is 7. We can't do 1 minus 9, so we go to the left, one less, one in front. 11 minus 9 is 2, and 0 minus nothing is 0. That gives us 27.42. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.